My two theorists I chose are Lev Vygotsky and Ivan Pavlov. They're both from Russia. They have very different views. Vygotsky being the constructivist, one of the leading constructivists, and Pavlov being more of a behaviorist. I chose Vygotsky because he said that cognitive development varies from culture to culture, meaning that he's probably studied other cultures and has made that conclusion. And so I think he'd be a really good, seems like he's very observant and he's a very good student. And then there's Pavlov, who has rewarding like the dog for ringing the bell and giving them food, and the unconditional response. And I'm just curious how that would tie to a classroom and language. So I'd like to ask him that at the dinner party, and I'd just like some clarification with both of them, especially Vygotsky, because he died at a young age and wasn't able to finish his work.